All right, the real last page, and then I can go to bed. Volume, blah, 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 blah. Solve the equation for H. This is the only thing that we need to know here. Solve for H. Okay, so that means we want to get H alone. So I have to move everything to the other side. I'm going to write it down here so it's bigger. Okay, if I'm solving for H, that means I have to move these things. I'm not going to touch the fraction yet because it's scary. But I'm going to move over r squared and pi, and I'm going to do that by dividing because they're being multiplied on that side. So I have v over pi r equal to 1/3 h. Okay, and now I'm going to get rid of my fraction, and I do that by flipping and multiplying. No, mama! So we get 3v over pi r equal to h, and we're done. And hopefully the one on your midterm is that easy. Okay, 43, a family is traveling, blah, 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 blah. Determine the average rate of change between hour 2 and 7. Okay, so the change in y over the change in x. 2 and 7, so it's 480 minus 140 over 7 minus 2, which is going to be 340 over 5. And you will have calculators, but I don't have that. So, whoops, 5 goes into 34 6 times. That's 34, and that's 8. Okay, so the average rate of change in distance would be 68. Graph below represents this function. State the domain and range. Domain is left to right. So the furthest left is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -5. X. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is the furthest right. Always less than signs. And we have closed circles, so it's equal. Okay, the bottom is at 1, 2, 3. So my range, this is domain. My range, which is y values, is 1, 2, -3. And the top is up here at 1, 2. So that's saying the range is between -3 and 2, and we could do equal signs again. Okay, express 2 square root 108 in simplest radical form. So the way we do this is start to divide 108 by the largest perfect square that you can think of, which would probably be 100. And that's not going to work. 81 is not going to work. 64 is not going to work. And I actually don't know what it is. I need a calculator, so hold on. Okay, I got it. It's 36. 36 times 3. So the square root of 36 is 6, so that breaks free. Radical 3, and then you have to remember bring down the guy in front. 2 times 6. 12 radical 3 is your final answer. Okay, express 4 radical 75. This one's super easy because it's 25 times 3. 5 breaks free because the square root of 25 is 5. And don't forget to bring down the guy in front. 4 times 5 is 20 radical 3. And you're done. Yay! We finished! Yay! Somebody's camera shy. All right. Good night.